Hello and welcome to the Stabila eCampus. Stabila is the specialist for high quality and reliable spirit levels made in Germany. In this video, my colleague Michael Haag and I will introduce you to our handy and super practical pocket spirit levels. Michael, normally our spirit levels start at a length of 20 centimeters, respectively 8 inches. With the pocket spirit levels, however, they are much more compact.
Exactly, and in order to achieve an optimal measurement result, you should always choose a level as long as the component you want to align. So in general, you can get along well with the length of conventional spirit levels you have, but sometimes you have very small components or you have very little space, or you only want to check something briefly and would like a second spirit level that you can just easily grab and store anywhere without taking up too much space. And that's why we have developed our super compact mini spirit levels, our pocket levels.
Yeah, and I must say they are really cute.
Yeah.
With a length of 7 centimeters or 2.8 inches, I think. They fit comfortably in any trouser pocket.
And yet they are not toys, but high quality professional spirit levels made in Germany. The Stabila Pocket Pro has a robust aluminum core housing and 2 precisely milled measuring surfaces. The vertical measuring surface here at the side is at an angle of exactly 90 degrees to the horizontal measuring surface. This enables vertical measurements with the horizontal vial. As you can see here, the measurement surfaces have a V-groove. This means that I can place the Pocket Pro both horizontally and vertically on flat and round surfaces.
And with the built-in strong rare earth magnets at the bottom and on the side, the Pocket Pro sticks to metallic components and I have my hands free when aligning and adjusting. As I said, this spirit level is so small that I can put it in my pocket. But I can also use the belt clip that comes with it. Then I always have the Pocket Pro ready to hand. Michael, what about the accuracy?
Our large original Stabila quality vial is built into all of our pocket levels. The measurement accuracy in the normal position is a maximum of plus minus 1 millimeter per meter, or for our American customers, plus minus 1/16 of an inch at 60 inch. With longer spirit levels, an even higher accuracy is achieved with a maximum deviation of plus minus 0.5 millimeter per meter or 1/32 inch at 72 inch. But despite the extremely compact size of the Pocket Pro of only 7 centimeter width, this is an excellent value and completely sufficient for most applications for which the Pocket Pro is intended in the end.
Okay. Michael, then let's move on to the second model, the Pocket Electric. As the name suggests, this is a model for electrical application.
Exactly. You might know this. How often do you see sockets and switches mounted slantly?
Oh yes, I know that. Unfortunately, not every electrician uses a spirit level.
Yeah, but with our Pocket Electric, which is really not a big investment, slant switches and sockets are really a thing of the past. I have to mention that the Pocket Electric is designed for switches and sockets of type C and matching types, the European system. The Pocket Electric has an edge on the back where you place the spirit level on the metal frame. Thanks to the very strong rare earth magnet system, the spirit level stays in place and you have both hands free to work. Through the recess for the screwdriver, you can now adjust the frame with the spirit level in place. With the Pocket Electric, switches and sockets are installed really in no time.
Fascinating. This is a great example of how we at Stabila, as a measuring tool specialist, have been developing tools in close cooperation with craftsmen from numerous trades for more than 130 years. No gimmicks, no frills, but tools that make work easier, faster, and therefore more efficient.
That's right. There is absolutely nothing to add to this.
Okay. Dear viewers, our professional miniature spirit levels fit comfortably in any trouser pocket. The Pocket Pro, with the 2 milled measuring surfaces with V-groove and very strong rare earth magnets, make it easy to align and adjust components on metallic and especially rounded surfaces. The Pocket Electric is the practical helper for anyone who wants to install sockets and switches easily and perfectly aligned. In our Stabila official YouTube channel, in the eCampus playlist, you will find even more interesting videos on the subject of measuring tools. Why don't you take a look? Thank you and good luck in everything you tackle.